Hello guys, welcome to the Michsurd Academy. So today we are going to be looking at practical physics. I know a lot of us are having difficulties when it comes to practical physics, but don't worry, in this course we are going to start from the rudiments of practical physics. Alright, my name is Akabo Define Michael. In case you are new to the channel, I would like you to click on the subscription button and the notification bell that will appear so as to get updates of series of our videos on practical physics that will be coming up. Now let us look at the fundamental laws of physics. The fundamental laws of physics, like your Hooke's law, your Ohm's law, your Newton's law, and so on, they are deceptively simple when merely looking at them. Okay. Now these same laws are worldwide accepted and they have been seen to be correct and true. Now the question is, how do we know that these laws are true? How do we know that these laws are correct? What are the tools or the skills that we apply to verify these laws? So this brings about the practical physics. Making sense, right? Good. Now the practical physics in a nutshell is simply the experimental findings that are taken in order to verify the fundamental laws of physics. Now, in this tutorial video, I will be giving you some hints that will help you while performing your practical. Alright, number one, read all instructions and ensure you understand the instruction before performing the practical. So it's very necessary you read the instruction. It helps you to know what you are doing. Once you understand what you are asked to do or perform, then you start with the practical aspect. Okay, number two, things like your dates, the aim of the experiment, the theory, if necessary, should be put in your booklet, okay, for reference sake. Also, the apparatus that are used should also be put in place. What are the apparatus? The apparatus in a layman word is just your tools used for performing the experiment. Okay, such as your meter rule, your knife edge, your lens, and so on. Alright, now number three, ensure that your values are placed in the right decimal place. Okay, so there are some values that should be in a 3 decimal place, some should be in 2 decimal place. Ensure that you put them properly. So later on in the course, series of videos that will be coming up, I will show you how to place your decimal points for the experimental values you got and the given values that was also given to you. Okay, now number four, ensure that you put the unit for every values or quantity that is given. You understand that? In our course last topic, we discussed about units and measurement. So you can go down to the description box there and see the link for that video to watch for better understanding. Alright, now number five, ensure that you call the attention of the teacher or the instructor why you find any particular thing difficult that you can't understand. Call their attention so that they can give you advice, or also maybe the instrument in question or the apparatus might be faulty, so that they can change it for you or get you another one. Alright, okay, so number six, ensure that you choose the right scale while plotting your graph. Scale is very important, especially when graphing. So series of videos that will come up on graphical analysis will show you how to choose your scale, the best scale to choose to fit in your graph and make your graph to be well defined. Okay, now another important thing is the calculation of your slope. How to calculate your slope. Ensure that your slope at least covers about 1/3 of the graph. Are we together? Okay. Now, number 8, start your graph from the origin if necessary. But if not, you can start anywhere you want to. Okay. Number 9, the line of best fit should be properly what? Drawn. What is the line of best fit? This is the line that passes through the points, okay, that is able to at least capture most of the points in your graph, and also the points that are not captured, they are not too far from that what line, in such a way they are not too far from that line. So that's what we call the line of best fit. Although in the graph we are going to be discussing on the straight line graph and also the curve graph, okay, because why we do that best line of best fit, we always do it on a straight line graph. Okay, so don't worry, on later in the course you'll see more of that. Okay, now number 10, if you draw a graph, clearly mark the axis of that graph. So if you draw a graph, okay, it is good you mark the axis. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Okay, so ensure that these axes are properly marked. Now also, if you are plotting a graph of t squared against L, okay, so it's good you always put the units. Are we together? Alright, so you put the unit here, t squared. This is the parameter for period squared, so the unit is s squared, and this is the parameter for length, and the unit can be meter or what, centimeter, depending what is given to you or what you use in your experiment. Okay, so this is all some of the hints that you need to know while performing the practical. So later in the course, in our next video, we are going to discuss about measurement analysis, after which we discuss about graphical analysis, then we move to error analysis. Then the upcoming videos, we are going to be performing the practical live. Okay, thank you very much.